Hello everyone, it's MJ. How are you? I'm gonna do a little video of the Scribe with you using my little overhead setup. I hope everyone's doing well. I put out a video earlier today about the habit tracker and how habit trackers can really help you set new goals, stay on track with goals, achieve new goals, etc., because it is a visual way of tracking your progress. So we're only on Tuesday. Today is the 3rd of October, and I can see exactly what I did already for the week. And so far I've hit all of my goals. This week, my gym week is going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So yesterday was a rest day, and that's okay. But I've hit my water 2 days in a row, 100 ounces. I've read, I've worked on my planners, I've meditated, like it's just good. But what I want to do is I want to show you what the Scribe can do with something like this. So this is a printable PDF, and these are PDFs that I've been creating. So I've been sending those PDFs to my Scribe, and they show up here. And I can write on them. So this is the 100-day challenge. I have a piece of paper with the 100-day challenge for meditation, but I'm going to do water. And my start date I'm going to put as yesterday, which is 10/2/23. So far I've consumed at least 80 ounces of water a day, which is what I want. So I could just cross that out, do that, whatever. And this is going to stay like this until I decide to go in and erase it. And that is the genius of the Scribe. The Scribe, I believe, is heavily discounted now because of the Prime deals that are going on. But I just saw an article on one of the popular e-reader sites that you don't have to be a Prime member to get the Scribe deal. I think the Scribe might be $275 maybe, which is a huge discount considering what it normally retails for. So this is just an example of the PDF functionality of the Scribe. So I'm going to get out of here. And I'm gonna get into this habit tracker, which is what I created this week. Okay, so we are going to get into the habit tracker that I created. All right, so it's writable, it's fillable. You can put in whatever you want. So far this week, I'm good. That was rest day, so maybe we'll just leave that. I could put sleep. My sleep has been great this week so far. Reading has been on point. I got 2 books done in the last 2 days. And hanging out with my planners. Yeah. And then when you're done, you can erase it all. I absolutely love the technology that comes with this device. I use this almost every single day for reading if I'm not reading a physical book. And this capability for creating PDFs has just opened up a whole new world for me. So if this is something that you're interested in, comment down below and let me know. I am going to be opening up a shop online that will have these downloadable. So I just wanted to share the potential functionality of the device. All right. So I hope everyone is doing well. I'm just going to get out of here right now. And I can put these in a collection. So add, remove collection. And I don't think I created one yet, so we'll do productivity and create it. and save it. And this one, we're going to put in the same. And productivity. And save. So then, if I want to go to my notebooks and go to productivity, and there they are. Yep, it's that simple. It's that easy. So if you are more of a digital planner, the Scribe is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you all. I hope everyone's doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. Make sure that you are reading good stuff, and make sure that you are planning good stuff as well. All right, I will catch you in my next video. Until next time, goodbye for now.